My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'm a master psychic medium. I've worked with spirit now for well over 40 years, and I've always been sensitive to spirit. I've always been sensitive to the physical world, and I've also been sensitive to people all my life. And there were times when it was a burden for me, when I didn't know quite what to do with it. And for those of you who are sensitive, I'd like to reassure you and tell you that you do not have a disease, that you are not sick. Being sensitive is a gift. It's a soul gift. And it is something that you can very much learn how to manage, how to work with, to change it from a burden into something that connects you not only to the world around you, but the people that you love and care about. So understand that if you're sensitive, there are tools that you can use that will help you manage it, will help you control it so that you don't have to stop being sensitive. I'm still incredibly sensitive, but I can manage it. I can control it. When I'm in a crowd, I'm not being bombarded by people's thoughts and people's feelings. When I'm in the store, I can just relax. So you can do that too. And one of the tools that you can use is meditation. And there are a number of other tools that over the years I learned how to use. And the truth is, the day that I figured out why I was being overwhelmed by all this stuff coming at me was the day it stopped. Or at least it stopped being a burden, because now I know how to deal with it. I have some tools. So do not be burdened by your soul gifts. Translate those gifts into something that can be purposeful, useful, healing, really.